Hello and thank you for tuning in today. This is David with KickFire, and I'm going to show you how to remarket based on firmographic data in Google Analytics and build a Google Ads campaign. Go ahead and go to Admin, scroll down to Custom Definitions, and check out the new Custom Dimensions built by KickFire. So this is revenue range, SIC code, city, industry type, everything that you need to build a really high value audience, lower your CPA, and only remarket to companies that matter to your business. And this is perfect for a B2B setting. And then we're going to scroll down, click on audiences. We're going to create new. Now within the audience builder, you're going to go to advanced conditions. Now this is where those new dimensions will show up. So you can literally filter out anything you saw there. They visited 3 pages. Their revenue range is X, Y, Z. They have this many employees. This is their SIC code. I mean, you can do anything you like to really remarket to only a high value audience for your business. So why waste clicks on regular people just looking at your site? Really target those companies that are showing some type of buying intent, or maybe they are talking to a competitor right now and they're checking out your website as well. So you'll have an opportunity to remarket to them. So what I like to do here is create a user list. Now this is just a test account, so you won't see any visitors, but you're gonna set the membership days. I like to do maybe half a year, maybe you do a quarter, do 90 days, 30 days, and name it exactly what you're targeting. Now here's where the magic happens. You go ahead and add a destination, and then you're gonna publish this, and then right at the bottom of this section in Google Analytics, it'll automatically allow you to create a remarketing campaign in Google Ads. So you're just going to go there and create a campaign. Now I'll just show you real quickly where they end up. They end up in the shared library, Audience Manager, and then you can also build a campaign and you'll be able to see those in the list as well under Audience. So thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to david@kickfire.com. Thank you so much. Please share and subscribe.